morning and welcome to Diggerland in Rochester. Let's go and see what fun things we can do with diggers.
It only goes backwards as well, doesn't it?
Look, it goes backwards too.
There's a baby on it.
Going space.
You're going to go to space.
Is that good? Zack, did you like that? Did you go up high? Guys, flashing lights are brilliant.
It depends who's coming out.
Looks good.
Daddy, Granddad.
Yeah.
Which way going? Left
Well, it depends who comes out next.
or right?
What we have here?
So what's out there? What is it?
It is a giraffe. Do you know what colour a giraffe's tongue is?
I think it's orange.
Do you know what? It's not. A giraffe's tongue is blue.
I thought it was
It can
black.
be blue or black.
I don't know what colours.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't know about
That's all right.
What's that?
Bear.
A bear?
That's not a bear.
Horn on.
What is it? It's a...
Horn.
What is it then? A
Ratatouille.
No. It's a rhino.
Let's see. Oh,
Oh,
this
Zack.
one.
It's a zebra.
Yeah.
zebra.
Well done, you got one.
Red mouth.
Do you know anything about zebras?
About zebras.
Yeah.
It's got a red tongue.
Do you know what? Absolutely. Yeah.
Not you.
Like me? Oh. Yeah, okay, yeah.
A lion.
Oh, not quite.
Stripes, hasn't he?
Got stripes, that one.
He's got a tiger's crown.
It does.
Yeah, like a Peppa Pig.
Oh my goodness. Well, this tiger's a little bit hungry.
Yes.
Would you like to be its lunch?
Yeah. An elephant.
Oh my
Way!
goodness, it is.
You got one.
Trunk on there.
He has.
Like Emily with a clever clone.
Absolutely.
Yes. Let's keep going.
All right.
Let's keep going.
Yes.
Move your toe.
Of course, of course.
There's a lion.
There is.
He's a lion.
That really is a lion, this one. The other one was a tiger.
The tiger stripey one. I think they've got brown ears.
You think they've got brown ears? Very good, they have, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh. Most dangerous animal.
A random bench.
It's not random, don't worry.
Oh, is it not?
No. We don't just cage tables just for you know.
Humans.
Yeah.
You-
We do keep the odd human in there.
Yeah.
Just lock the gate behind them.
Sit there and wave and the cars
Yeah.
go past.
Oh, look, is that?
Look, it's a rhino.
It
Yay!
is a rhino.
Yeah.
You
All
are.
lions, aren't we? Whee!
We did it.
In the back.
Oh, look who it is.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
What colour's his tongue?
Can you remember what it was? So that is the last one and that's it.
That's it, done.
Yeah, done. Should be my puddle.
They look fun, don't they? I don't know where he's gone now. Go, Zacky. So do the slide. Hey, well done. That's well good.
Can I shove my socks out?
Got little battery carts down there. Oh, that's good, Zack.
Oh, he does ever so well, you know. Rob. Come away. Don't enjoy himself. I don't know. He really enjoys himself.
It's great, isn't it? Our sun's coming out now. Yay! You did it! Well done, Zack. That's it, loves it. Zack, you did so well. That was amazing. You loved that.
Was that good?
Zack, you did so well. How was that?
Yeah.
Zack, you lifted the brick out. I saw you get the brick out. It's amazing. That looks really hard. Look, you have to knock the bowling pins over. Try not to crash into any children. Oh, well done, Zack. Good driving. Go, 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 Zacky! Go, Zacky!
There's a one more one and we go back to our granddad's.
Oh. You see him picking up the tyres? That was weird. Is that good, Zack?
That was good, wasn't it?
Zack, try and get the brick. Oh, you nearly got it. You got it, that's it. Bring it up, bring it up. Ah, nearly. Put your face through it.
So,
What happened?
good boy.
Wow. Look, Zack, look at all these little models here. These are lovely, aren't they?
Can you play these?
I don't know if you can play with them. I don't know where they're selling them ones.
I get them.
I love all the little. Look, so they've got loads of Diggerland t-shirts here. Have they got Diggerland on the high vis? Oh, look at those. Very cool.
I like the socks. They're well cute.
Have a nice day at the Diggerland.
Zack, did you like your day at Diggerland?
Have a nice day
was
at
your
What
Diggerland.
was your favourite thing to do at Diggerland?
I think,
Was it driving the digger?
yeah,
You loved driving the digger,
with
didn't you?
Grandad. Thank you for visiting Diggerland. Now your Digger Greens come Bye.
Bye, Diggerland.